was brought later.
However, the financial statements that were submitted.
And this year, 2017, 2018, again, temporary allowance paid as part of salary, 134,851,384. Indeed, that creates a big doubt in our minds whether this money was prudently used for the services of Kiambu people.
And the question that would require to be answered is, then, are we saying that this is a continuous mistake, Governor, that 133 million was spent in 2016-17 on the same vote, and then that was repeated in 17-18 and unexplained?
And I want to agree with you, and you asked what measures I'm taking to ensure that documents are kept in safe custody. We have already identified a basement, a whole floor basement in Nova, just next to our offices, for documentation, because documents have been lost. In the process of what we were going through, I think the key exercise was removing documents here and there. So I want to say that we tried, this amount was supposed to have been paid as part of the salary. We tried to trace it through salary, we could not get it, and that's why we are saying further investigation on it should have been done. So it is not true that it was paid as part of the salary.